Hi guys, I just want to do a little vlog. Okay, I don't really love weaves, right? But I took a risk and I went to install. I'm always natural. I think you guys have seen a lot of my content that is mostly cornrows because that is what I'm used to. So now there was a big event that I had to attend last week Saturday. So I was like, oh, I need to look different and beautiful, extra beautiful. Yes, Ukel also had to put eyelashes. This is this individual, and I was referred by a colleague. I've done my eyelashes in Ruma by this Chinese lady. See, they look very natural. You can't even see that I have put lashes if I never told you, right? So I got referral and I went to town. The name of the salon is Josh For You Salon. It's in Plain Street, opposite Universal Church. This is how I started. Okay, they will take you through to different people who will start putting the gel on you, and they let it dry a bit and get someone else, and then after that, I think the other lady will wash the hair if it's not washed, and then the other one will put the hair on you. It's like 4 people worked on my hair. This is now the second coat of the glue. This is the guy, Josh. He's good, guys. He's very good. So he puts the last coat of the glue, right? As you can see, he's putting the last coat. And now the other lady is dressing me with the wig. Okay, I brought my own wig that I bought in Maputo. They did the wig for me in Dragon City. I used a lady there. I was referred by my friend Dineo. And now we are done installing. As you can see, the guy is styling me. So they ask you what style you want, and this is the style I chose. And I did all of this for only 300. And this is now the final product. Tell me what you think. I don't love weaves, but this, I've never had something like this in my life. And I think it's so sweet. I think that looks pretty. Thank you. I think I look pretty now. Everybody says I look nice. So, I do. I do. Yeah.